I'm Mary Spies. I'm from Stormvlei and my business is Country Flowers. I do a dried, preserved hydrangea. And it's been a challenge in all my life to come up with a washable dry. And hopefully we have seen it through. I'm today exporting and selling all over the country, and it's something that doesn't exist anywhere else.
Kom kuier saam by die Oeverberg bewoners. Dinsdaande 9:30 op Kyknet. Kry Bright Rock, lewensdekking wat verander soos jou lewe verander.